Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. He loves me not. He loves me not. What are you doing? I want to know whether Simon loves me or not. Then, why are you plucking the flower petals? I read it somewhere. It says that to know if someone loves you, you can get a flower, pluck the petals one by one while saying, "He loves me" or "He loves me not" for each one. Then, the last petal will determine whether he loves you or not. That's something I just heard. How many petals do you have left? I'm not sure. It's almost the last petal. He loves me not. He loves me. Yay! He loves me. I'm not sure about this, Cindy. I mean, you can't let a flower tell you whether a person truly loves you or not. Well, I do think he loves me. Conversation 2. Cindy, what's wrong? It's Simon. He told me. I asked him. I thought he loved me. What did he say? You remember when I plucked the flower petals, right? Right, yes, I remember. Well, I told him about it, and I told him how kind he was to me while we were in elementary. Elementary? Cindy, you do know how long ago it was when you were in elementary, right? Yes, I know. Anyway, he's happily married with his wife now. Oh, Cindy, come here. Let me give you a hug. Now let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. I want to know whether. I'm not sure about this. That's something I just heard. I thought that. Let me give you a hug. Notes. Do you love me? Or did you love me? Kedua kalimat ini sama-sama artinya apakah kamu mencintaiku? Apa bedanya? Do you love me digunakan untuk menanyakan apakah kamu mencintaiku saat ini. Did you love me digunakan untuk menanyakan apakah kamu mencintaiku dulu. Did digunakan untuk peristiwa di masa lampau. Do you love me? Yes, I do. Of course, I love you. Did you love me? Yes, I did. I loved you very much then. Do you love me? Yes, I did. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back next time.